Welcome all you O'Dares. Well, gonna make you guys jealous. Got my friend's boat out. Beneteau 400, if you can see it. She's a beauty. Just a nice day to be out. The winds are sort of light, look like they're trying to pick up. You can see the sun off the water. I'm sitting on this stern seat. It's awesome. Although I wouldn't want to be out here when it's rough. Got my buddy Captain Dan. He's there. It's a real pretty boat. But as you can see, the seas are fairly knocked down. Got a little bit of swell coming, 3-4 feet. But they predicted 15 to 25 today, so I don't know. Half the time they can't get it straight.
Down in the 9s now.
Now we got the wind speed indicator says it's 9 to 10. So, and these big boats, boy, they take a little bit of movement to get going. 15 and above, this boat's made for 20. But she's a pretty boat. All right, well, sailing vessel Dano is out.